Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the PDF in an editor that supports text edits or redaction. Make a duplicate file immediately so you can revert if needed. Once the copy is ready, switch to the Edit or Redaction tool and zoom into the area with the word. You need to select the word precisely. Use caret or text box selection. If the document is scanned, run OCR first so the editor recognizes text. This prevents accidental image edits and keeps formatting intact. You now remove or replace the word. Click the text to select it, then press Delete or type replacement text. This preserves surrounding flow. If the word is part of an image, run OCR then edit the recognized text or draw a redaction box to permanently mask it. Once done, check nearby lines for spacing shifts and adjust font size or kerning to match. Make sure annotations don't become separate layers by flattening edits when your editor offers that option. Finish by saving the edited file as a new PDF so your original remains untouched. Search the entire document to confirm every instance of the word is removed and inspect layers or comments that might hide text. If you used redaction, export or flatten the PDF to make masking permanent and irreversible. Once done, open the final file in a different reader to verify appearance and searchability. If something looks off, revert to the copy and correct font or.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.